Hi, this video I made just to help my fellow 116 body Mercedes Benz, you know, like a 1978, 1979, 1980 300 SD, the 116 body. And if you are frustrated like I am about turn signal module, this is so expensive. Sometimes go up almost $100, sometimes like 50 bucks, depending where you buy. And you know, you cannot buy this at the AutoZone and stuff like that, and probably go to eBay or something. But don't worry, just throw it away, because this is a thermal kind, the old kind of thermal kind. And you know, bring too rapidly when the weather turns super cold, it just don't work. It just stays solid. And then sometimes you just bring rapidly, you know, like you don't want that. And then so what I do today, I went to you know, your local AutoZone or Pep Boy, whatever, and got a conventional one. You know, I got a heavy duty one. And this is just to show you how I hook it up. Okay, so you see, so you take this one out, right? It got 3 prong right here. So you just take this one from the socket. So it got 3 wire, right? 1 brown, 1 red, and another one is dual wire tied together. So what you do, you just cut off the brown one. You don't need that, because I bought the 3 prong kind of blinker module. So what you do, you just hook the, you just left the, what's that? The pre terminal open like that. Don't hook anything, and then just hook the red one to the X, and hook the green wire to the L terminal, and voila, it works. You know, the thing cost like $12, $13. You just need to mess around with it. I've blown like 5 or 6 fuses so far, just trying to get the right terminal, and then now I got it. So I just want to share this to my fellow 116 Mercedes Benz. If you have the same frustration I am and don't want to spend so much money, this is what I do, and it works, and it brings so good, bring like a normal car. Thank you.